Hours after the CBI grilled the TVK chief, NDTV is now up close with the TVK chief as he departs Delhi. Just hours after being questioned by the CBI, actor-turned-politician Vijay was spotted in the national capital leaving his hotel, and NDTV was right there tracking every moment. My colleague Tejshri Purandare tracking the TVK chief in Delhi. Listen in to their entire interaction.
Today, what would you like to say on the summons that were issued?
Excuse me. Ma'am, can you please open the way? Ma'am, can you please? Mr.
Vijay, what would you like to say? Would you want to make a comment on the summons issued? What would you like to say? You were questioned yesterday. What would you like to say? Mr. Vijay, what would you like to say on the summons being issued on the movie that's going to be released? So that is TVK in the... Mr. Vijay, what would you like to say? Any comments would you like to make? So these are the visuals of, so you can see Vijay in the visuals. NDTV asking him the questions. What would you like to say on the summons being issued? When is the second time then you will be coming?
Tejshri Purandare also joins us live this morning with further clarity. Tejshri, TVK chief there leaving the Delhi hotel. He seems to maintain his silence post the 6-hour grilling by the CBI. We are given to understand that he is going to be appearing in front of the CBI authorities yet again, but post Pongal. What is the TVK saying behind the scenes as far as the CBI probe is concerned, and what are the latest developments you can share with us?
Well, see, as of now, what we are picking up from our sources is that, yes, as you rightly mentioned, the questioning continued for more than 6.5 hours. But yes, this is completely confirmed that he is going to join the summons for the second time. Needs to be seen that when the summons are issued for the second time. But what we are learning from our sources within the investigating agency is that he did cooperate in the investigation. But number two, and the most important thing is, he in fact mentioned that administration was responsible for the entire incident, not just the incident, but the kind of arrangement that was supposed to make. So he in a way has shifted the onus and the responsibility on the administration, on the management. That means the local administration who was on the duty, who was looking after all the proper arrangements so as to how many people are going to come and what are the arrangements that were supposed to be made on the day of 27th of September at 12 afternoon. But the question remains to be asked is that why there was a delay, and the focus of the agencies was only this, that why there was a delay in the arrival, because you see the time given was 12 afternoon, and why did he arrive at 7 p.m. This question was asked to him, but now remains to be seen that what will be happening when he will be summoned again for the second time here in the national capital by the investigating agencies. Remember that as if now in fact he is trying to put a clear picture, a fair picture so as to his own political party, which was not in any which way responsible in this entire incident. And in fact we also did speak to his several fans here in the national capital, there in Tamil Nadu as well, in Chennai as well, where in fact they find Vijay completely innocent. They say that it was complete responsibility of the administration to take care of the people, of the crowd who gathered over there. But now next remains to be seen that what actually happened when the investigation unfolds and proceeds, because remember that he is not the only individual who has been summoned or questioned in this entire case. There were earlier the policemen also, those who were deployed over there, who were questioned so as to how the crowd swelled suddenly from 10,000 to 30,000. What were your preparations? All these kind of questions were also in fact asked to TVK chief Vijay also. He was also in fact asked that why and who in fact was responsible for organizing and managing the rally for him there in Karur where this entire incident happened. So all these questions were definitely answered. Some kind of documents were also in fact put in front of him. Now needs to be seen.
Another very interesting, significant angle is the fact that there are allegations coming in from the opponents of the BJP that this has there's a BJP role to play. Are we picking up on any buzz of Vijay meeting with central BJP leadership, given the speculation around alliances in Tamil Nadu?
See, as of now, he has left for Chennai is what we can pick up to the latest. He is en route to the IGA airport, and then he will be taking off to Chennai, and in next 1.5 or 2 hours, he will be landing in Chennai. But as of now, also in what we are learning from our sources is, in all likelihood, he is also, he's also in fact going to hold a meeting in Chennai with the party leaders there of the TVK. Now needs to be seen that what the strategy will be, because yes, we have been hearing from the opposition parties who have been raising guns at the BJP, saying that they are targeting TVK chief Vijay by, in fact, by issuing summons to him. So this matter is not just limited to an incident. This will definitely escalate to political war of words as well. Now needs to be seen that what kind of statement is given by Vijay, because what we are also being told that there are high possibilities that he could also issue a statement after landing in Chennai. So all eyes on that statement if he issues.